Hi, this is Ed from selfservicereset.com. In this video we're going to give a demonstration of administering the SSR system. In previous videos you'll have seen how a user enrolls into the system and also how a user resets their password using a combination of our password reset cards and the answers to their security questions. Setting up the administration executable is exceptionally straightforward. Again, as with the enrollment executable, it can simply be in a shared file area on your network, and it can be launched via a shortcut. Let's just launch that now. Here's the front page of the administration executable. You can see under the service menu you're able to stop and restart the service which is running on the domain controller. That's what handles the actual password reset process. Under the manage menu, the most important things to look at would be the help desk and mail settings. Here you can specify a help desk phone number which is displayed on both the enrollment and reset executables. You can also set up your SMTP alerting here. So this is when a failed reset attempt happens. You can set the system up to send a mail out to an administrator. Also here we can set the password complexity settings, and they need to be in line with your Active Directory password complexity settings, and that's relating to things like password length and the number of non-letter characters that are in the password. You can also set up the security questions here. This is a list of the security questions which the users may be asked when they enroll. They choose 3 of these questions, but you can have a much longer list here. So for example, we can add in a new question here, for example the name of your first school, and we just click create and it adds it in there to the list of possible questions. You can also choose to deactivate or delete a question from here. Also under security settings you can specify the admin groups which are able to run the administrative executable, and in this case we just have the domain administrators and the domain admins group set up to do that. Finally, under the manage window we have the user management screen. That shows the number of users who are enrolled in the system. It also shows their card number and the next available code they have to use. From here you can choose to unlock a user account if they manage to lock themselves out of the SSR system by incorrectly entering information. You can also choose to delete a user account from the SSR system here. Now that's just from SSR, not from Active Directory as a whole. You can also finally choose to assign a new card to a user if they don't enroll a card themselves. So we can just exit out of that. Under the cards menu you can see the status of how many cards you have enrolled in your system at any one time, and you can also look and see how many remaining codes are available on each card. As previously seen, each card is printed with 3 security codes which would give a user 3 separate goes at resetting their password, which could be over a period of months. So you can see the cards with no remaining codes. That would be a warning that there's a user out there who needs to pick up a new card to enroll with. Also from this menu you can choose to upload a new card file. When you purchase security cards from us, you'll also be emailed through a database file which contains the list of all the code numbers which you need to upload onto the system using that interface. Under the logs menu you can view the logs, and you can see all the enrollments, the resets, the successful resets, the unsuccessful resets, and you can also choose to export all that information to a CSV file for longer term storage or for viewing in Excel. That's it. That's a demonstration of the system. If you'd like to find out more, please visit us at selfservicereset.com. Thank you.